Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a lovely snack. It's a nice tea time toast. This is masala toast. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the masala bread toast, first we're going to make the masala. For this, take a pan, add a little oil. To this, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, add 3 green chilies finely chopped, a few curry leaves finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are transparent. Next, I'm going to add all the vegetables one after the other, starting with chopped beans. Next, add a piece of chopped capsicum, add 1 carrot finely grated, add grated cabbage, next add 1 small tomato finely chopped, season with salt 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, now add quarter teaspoon garam masala powder and some freshly chopped coriander leaves. The masala for the toast is done. Turn off the stove. Squeeze a little lemon juice. This is optional. Next, cut the slices into triangles. Now you can either use white bread or brown bread. I'm going to just toast this first with a little butter. The bread is toasted now. I'm going to toast all the other slices and then apply the masala. So there you go. You can make this simple toast for an evening snack or even for breakfast if you like, and enjoy it with some nice cup of tea. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.